This is how to draw the classic version of Sonic the Hedgehog. Just start out drawing lightly, general shape of his head, which is just a circle, and then a smaller circle for his tummy, and add some noodles for his legs. And his body is just about 3 heads tall. His feet are just sideways triangles. And I'm just drawing this from my imagination, but you can use a reference. Then just a curve right there for his spikes. Then the shape of his face, which way it's going to be facing, and his little eyes. Then you fill in his face. The little bump's going to be where his nose goes. And then add in 3 spikes. And then just more noodles for his arms. He doesn't really have joints. And just little Mickey Mouse hands. Yeah, add in where his tummy will be. Little tail. And I'm gonna have him be holding up the peace sign. Add in his eyes. He's going to be looking at us. Add in a little light where the light will be. Then his nose, another little area for the light. And then sketch in his smile, his cool smile. Then just little squishy triangles for his ears. And just kind of sketch this roughly, like do a bunch of lines, and then later on when you ink it, you'll just pick the least terrible lines to ink over. And his little socks sticking out. Then you add in the little stripes of his shoes. And I'm going to erase some of these unnecessary lines, just clean it up a little bit before I ink it. Okay, so now you just calmly trace over your drawing. Okay, and then after you're finished inking it, I normally wait about 10 minutes to erase the pencil marks. Then you'll add in a light blue for his skin, and then just a light yellow for his face and body, and then just shade in his eyes, then red for his shoes. Then take a darker blue pencil for the second layer of his body. Just kind of doing this lightly, and leaving some areas of light blue for the lighting effect. And then I take a darker yellow pencil to shade his other parts, and then an indigo blue pencil to do more shading of his body. Add in that HB pencil I used to trace his body, do some shading on his hands and eyes, and then I just sign my name. And that is how you draw classic Sonic the Hedgehog. Thanks for watching.